Welcome! Let us crack the code of paracetamol side effects. In this video, you will be provided with a powerful mnemonic alongside a visual guide in order for you to remember the most common side effects of this drug. First, what is paracetamol? Acetaminophen is its other name, which is a medication used to treat pain and mild to moderate fever, which I'm guessing you already know because it is the most common drug in the world. Here are the 6 side effects of paracetamol. Allergy, dark stool or urine, stomach pain, loss of appetite, nausea, yellow skin or eyes. And here is the code. All damn stores lose nostalgic yellow pages. Each word in this statement is represented by its counterpart side effect. Notice the beginning letters because that will be our basis. The word all is for the side effect allergy. Next is dam, which represents dark stool or urine. The word stores triggers recalling the side effect stomach pain. Loose is a term that makes you remember the side effect loss of appetite. Nostalgic is tied up to the side effect nausea. Lastly, yellow pages is associated with yellow skin or eyes. For more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.